The AstroAI TRMS Multimeter Tester 2000 is a high-resolution device that provides precise measurements with a direct current voltage accuracy of up to plus 0.08% plus 5. It is a multifunctional tool that accurately measures alternating current, direct current voltage, alternating current, direct current, and resistance, along with supporting capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, diode, continuity, temperature, and non-contact voltage tests. The user-friendly design includes convenient features such as a low battery indicator, data hold, max-min data, auto shutoff, backlight, and flashlight, making it easy to use and intuitive to read in dim areas. This multimeter offers enhanced safety, meeting the safety standard IEC 6101, Cat 4 600 volts, Cat 3000 volts, and is FCC UL certified. The AstroAI TRMS Multimeter Tester 2000 comes with a storage case for easy portability and protection against damage. Considering its multifunctional capabilities, the price of $45.04 is quite reasonable, especially given the high review score of 4.1 out of 5 based on 37 reviews.